Hey friends, I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm gonna start a new series which I will show you guys and review the items I won from auction. So it's an online auction. I believe every state has an online auction. You just have to search it on Google. But I love these auctions because I get to buy kitchen gadgets at a fraction of the cost. So what I'm going to share with you in the series is how much I paid for it, how much it's valued at the current market value, and I'll show you the unboxing. As you can see, the box is really tattered. So, and these are all Amazon returns, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you, and hopefully you guys like the series, and let me know what items you guys want me to review next, because I can probably bid on them and then get them and then review it for you, so you guys don't have to pay all that money to see what you guys want to buy. So let's go. Okay friends, so I wanted to share you the specifics of this auction item. It is an instant Vortex Pro air fryer oven 9-in-1 with rotisserie capabilities. So this item is currently valued at suggested retail price at $139.95, and I want it for $5. $5. Okay, so but it does say rotisserie item does not stay on for long. So that's why I guess they returned it. But I got it for $5, so it says condition used, damage no, functional no, missing parts no, packaging is in the box. So let's go ahead and open the box. Okay, so let's see here. I have my knife. Don't worry so much about the packaging, because who keeps packaging, right? I always throw mine out. It just takes up too much space. Okay, so it's open. I want to bring the camera over to you. Bring the camera over to the unit so you guys can see what's in it as I'm unboxing it. Okay. Okay, so as you guys can see, these are the rotisserie parts. Go ahead. It's really packaged well. And here's the unit. The cord's there. It doesn't look like it's damaged in the front. That's how it's boxed and packaged. So let me go ahead and take it out of the box. Friends, so I unboxed it, and it came with a manual. There are a few pieces missing that I know that there is. This is part of the rotisserie, these things and this. And then in here, here's the door. So this is the rotisserie. And you have to press this button to release it. See? This is here. And let me let you know what is missing. Well, this tray came with it. Okay. And I think there was supposed to be another tray, but it's not in there. Okay, so let's see what's missing. Okay, we're missing the drip pan tray. That's the only thing that we're missing for the parts. What's in my eye? So we're missing the drip pan tray, and let me just show you. Oh, we're also missing. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see that. So we're missing the drip pan tray, and we're missing this right here, the rotisserie bar thing. But that's okay, I don't usually do the rotisserie in here, but you can easily buy it. Since I only paid $5. So this is the rotisserie lift. These are the rotisserie forks. This is the cooking tray. And this is the rotisserie basket lid. Rotisserie basket. Okay. And let me just show you guys inside. See how clean it is? It's like basically brand new. But let me tell you guys what is wrong with it, okay? So when they said in the description that it doesn't turn on for long, it's because, let me close this. If you look here, I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to plug it in. See how the light turns on? But the display is not showing anything because it doesn't work. And what that tells me is, it tells me that there's something loose. The display controller is loose from whatever it's plugging into. I'm not really technical, but I think that's what the issue is, because the light is turned on in here, so it's working, but something's disconnected. So that's probably why they returned it. So I'm going to see if I can troubleshoot it. So I can see the light is turned on, but the display is not working. So I'm going to go ahead and troubleshoot it. I got a flathead screwdriver here, and so I'm going to try to pry. I'm going to unplug it. Make sure you unplug it. I'm going to plug it again and see if I can pry this top, because, oh yeah. Be careful though, you don't want to break it. Okay. It's coming apart. Feels hot. I mean, you could always So, let me bring you guys closer. So this top comes off. See how this latches? It feels hot here. Something is not connected. So I need to find out why. And then I could probably solve the issue. But here's the back panel. Okay, let me try to see what's going on and then I'll come back and show you guys, okay? Okay guys, so I think I found the issue. So, if you look here in the spot, there's two connecting things here. I'm not sure if you can see it. Hold on. There's that piece right there, and there's another one, but it's not connected. So I think, oh, hold on. It's not connected. It should be sliding into here. So let me get it. See? Oh, I think I need tweezers because my fingers are too chubby. I'm gonna get some pliers. Hold on one second. Okay, so now I got pliers so you can slide it in there. Alright, let's see if that works. Plug in the system. Still not. Maybe the door needs to be closed. Yes. You guys, it's working. I got it to work. Look at that. Okay, hold on. See? Oh, you guys can't see. Okay. Light on. Lights off. Okay. Toast. Cancel. Proof. That's cool. Cancel. Bake. Oh shit. Cancel. I think I have to put it back on. Cancel. Cancel. Okay. Let me go ahead and cancel. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, you guys see how I fixed that? See, if you get something like this on an auction that's worth fixing for $5, I just fixed this brand new Instapot Vortex Pro. Yes! Alright, let me go ahead and unplug it, and then I'll put this snap-on lid back on. How easy was that? Okay, I'm plugging the unit. So, yes, be careful. Basically, clicks in. Oh. That's it. All right, plug it in again. Okay, you guys, so light. I'm going to try the rotisserie. Let me go ahead and push it back here. Sorry, hope you guys don't get dizzy. But you guys, I'm gonna try the rotate. Go ahead and put this back on. You guys can do so much in here. Like, what you can do is roast your chilies if you want to roast chilies in here. You know what I mean? You don't have to roast just whatever. There's like, I was trying to squeeze it in, but there's like a lock and unlock. Pretty cool. So right here, and when you want to put it in, okay, let's see. Okay, so let's rotate. Oops, wait, let's see. Oh, wait, hold on. Cancel. Rotate. I don't know if it's gonna rotate. It's rotating. You guys see that? Sorry. Do you guys see how it's rotating? Isn't that so cool? So you can rotate your chili peppers, your, what else? Anything else. Chicken. Oh, so cool. All right, let's see. Cancel. Let's see if it's hot. Oh yeah. Ooh, heat. Okay. Now let's do. You can do proof. Like, you can proof your dough in here. That's so cool. Air fryer, roast, broil, bake, toast, reheat, dehydrate. You guys, dehydrate. That's so crazy. Here, get a close look. Oh wait, no. So cool. All right, let's look it up. Oh. Okay. The camera's crooked. Hold on. Okay, you guys, thank you for joining me. I have to squint down because I don't want to adjust the camera anymore. But we fixed this together. It was so what did I do? Cancel. It was so simple, right? So I got like almost $200 air fryer for $5. $5. I hope you guys enjoy this. Stay tuned for more. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next, okay? Because I have a lot of like Instapots, blenders. Just leave an item below, like a kitchen gadget, and I'll see if I can, if I don't have it, I'll see if I can get it, okay? See you later.